Today we will be doing 6 products you need in 2026 skincare edition. Let's get right into the video. First, I'll be starting off with my favorite skincare brand that's pretty affordable, which is Youth to the People. My favorite one is the green tea, I believe. I'll pop it up here. But only right now is the Calm line. So this is the Calm, I think it's mushroom, snow mushroom, and oil super shroom calm cleanser. So this is what it looks like, and I've been reaching for this a lot to help improve my skin this winter season, and as you can tell, I've been using it more now than ever because I ran out of my green cleanser. And I use the cream that goes along with it, which is the Calm cream, and it's I would say it's not a matte finish. It gives you somewhat of a glow, but it's not bad to put under makeup because I have it under there right now. Now I'm just going to do 3 products right now and then go into the rest of them because I wanted to do like the 3 products that you would need if you just want a basic skincare routine. So you wash with this and then you go in with this next product, which is the Thayer's Hydrating Milky Toner. Toner helps remove impurities. It hydrates and cushions for smooth, dewy prep skin, and it can amplify your skincare routine. And this will really help, like if you're really trying to remove excess dirt after you do a cleanser. You go in with the toner and then your cream, which is your moisturizer, and you will have a solid foundation with just these 3 products if you just want something simple going into 2026. Next is something you have to apply, but I don't really consider this like a 4th step routine. That you just know, like you have to have lip products, and I've been reaching for this Topicals Lip Slick Salve Mint Lip Balm, and I've been wanting to get the strawberry one. I just forgot to get it when I had the chance. So I'm gonna be getting that in 2026, but I usually reach for this in the wintertime. I don't know why, but I guess like the peppermint feel, Christmas, holiday, winter gives me peppermint vibes, so I usually reach for the Mint Lip Slick Salve Lip Balm. So those are the products, and my additional 3 products would be if you wear makeup like me and you don't want to do the Neutrogena facial wipes or anything like that, the Sephora brand makeup removing wipes. Y'all, love them so much. And I've tried the strawberry or watermelon one. I forgot which one it is, but I'll pop it up right here. But this happens to be my favorite, which is the coconut extract soothing cleansing wipes. And oh my gosh, I've tried Neutrogena. I've even tried some other brand, can't think of it right now, but my favorite that actually has a nice scent that doesn't break me out is Sephora Collection Makeup Calming Soothing Cleansing Wipes. Like, it's definitely calming, like it soothes the skin. It's instant and long lasting action. 37% hydration after 2 hours. Like, come on, and leaves hydration for the skin for up to 6 hours. Like, yeah. Next is my favorite that I tried in August, and oh my gosh, this is luxury now. Like, this is luxury brand. You could tell it's kind of used, like you could see it from the skin. Tasha, Miss Tasha, yeah, like I love it. If I was obsessed with anything that's skincare, I would say it's this. Like, I'm not obsessed with things, but if I was going to be obsessed with anything, it would be Tasha. And not just because it's purple, even though that makes me feel a little bit better on the inside. It's great quality. It's like luxury skincare. Like, $88. Like, you get 65. This was a little travel pack, so it was $65 value. But it really will ring for $138. I used all the Matcha cleanser, which was my favorite. I just put water in it the other day. Like, And I tell you, I want their whole collection. I want the whole collection. I still have the rice water cleanser because it's an exfoliator. So I didn't want to use that every day because you're not supposed to exfoliate your skin every day. But I still love that. And my favorite, besides the water cream, is the dewy skin cream. I loved pairing the matcha cleanser with the dewy skincare. I've tried it both ways. How are you supposed to do it? The rice water with the dewy skincare, because once you exfoliate your skin is drier, so you need something that's going to bring the moisture back. But I don't know, I just love the combination. It still look good under my makeup. And lastly would be the Tasha, let me see, the Tasha, I forgot what it's called because I can't really see, lip mask. It's a lip mask, and I like playing with it at the bottom. I like messing with it at the bottom. I don't know why, but it's fun. And this is what it looks like. And it's a peach. I can't hardly see it. I think it's a peach. I promise I thought it was a peach lip. Yes, it is Japanese peach lip jelly. So it's a lip jelly, and it makes my lips look really pretty, especially at night. I prefer a good juicy hydrating lip mask for these luscious lips. So I have to make sure the lips hydrated. I love lip gloss, lip balm, anything that's gonna make my lips shine, make the lips look like the best feature on my face. Then I use it. Here's what the rice wash looks like. It is purple, so I love it. And here is the dewy skin cream. Now let me just go ahead and show y'all. I'm not playing. That's all I have left, and I've been saving. You can see I didn't scrape the container. Oh, and it came with a little, did it come with a lip applicator, or did I just get this? I think it came with a lip applicator. I'm not sure, but I've had PR, so I just used it from this. And I bought like a little pack off of Amazon. Oh, it's in my storefront. Y'all check out my Amazon storefront, and you can find some good beauty tools. So that's my luxury skincare. You can have some fun with this. They have eye creams, all kinds of stuff. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. And lastly, something I would say that you should invest in 2026 is Clean Skin Club towels.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mine. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home.
I was about to say Sam's Club. Costco now sells them as well. So if you want something that's a little bit more reasonable, then it's Clean Skin Club. Then the Clean Skin Club towels, then you make sure to check them out. They have improved my skin so much. I haven't used a regular face towel that you use for your body in over a year. Maybe even almost 2 years since it's 2026 when this is live. Oh my gosh. I haven't used it since. I've seen less bumps, less irritation, smoother skin, and it has reduced some of my dark spots. Like the clean towels definitely work. I'll incorporate. These are skincare products that you can definitely invest in 2026. I would definitely say, just starting out, if you're new to the whole skincare world, then a good cleanser. Oh gosh, let me grab my stuff. A good cleanser, toner, and moisturizing cream would definitely help you. But these are some great products that I absolutely loved in 2025 and will definitely be taking into 2026. I hope y'all enjoyed this style of video, and y'all have a great life. Bye. Happy skincare season.